At certain point in our life, we all of us thinking about what we are doing in our life, whether our life moving towards in a right path or not, or whether we are progressing or not. Although every aspect of our life has different problems, but making money is a common problem that everyone has. Money isn't everything, but everything needs money. Make money. The way become rich is to make money, not to save it or not to spend it. Too many people spend money they earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people that they don't like. Saving money and spending money is easy, but you need to make money. Fools spend money on silly things, where wise only focus on make money. You need to avoid to buy unwanted things, expenses things instead of this. Try to make more money. You need to develop yourself, focus yourself and train yourself and set a goal to make money. 2. Second one is more important to make more money. Use the money to make more money. You can work hard to make money, but you can't work smart. You will work rest of your life, so you may use the money to make the money, i.e. you need to spend money to make money. Remember one thing: rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. A simple lesson about money: if you try to chase the cat, it will always run away from you. But a simple lesson about money: but if have what the cat wants, it will come to you. It attract the cat. Similarly, if you want to make more money, then make money and use money to make more money. Make use of money in trade or any investment. Trade while others sleep. Learn while others party. Save while others spend and live like they dream. If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. So develop your skills and knowledge towards trade, marketing, stocks and investment. 3. Third one. Just repeat number 1 and number 2. It's not about how much money you make or save, it's about at last how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for. If you agree, then comment below. I'll make more money.